Now, setting back focus with the Fujinon lens made specific for the Blackmagic Design Ursa broadcast camera is a little bit unique because it's an electronic back focusing mechanism, and so the first thing you want to do is, of course, always put your lens in manual mode for the iris operation. Make sure your lens is not in macro mode also. That means you should be seeing this little green line just underneath the lip there. If it was in macro mode, it would be pushed forward, so you want to make sure that the focus mode is not in macro. Also, if you have any external controllers, you want to make sure that those, like the Blackmagic Focus Controller, are either turned off or unplugged. You want to make sure that your lens is in servo mode as well, not manual mode. Next to the toggle for servo mode, you'll find this little button. Press and hold that in for 5 seconds. This will then put you into the calibration mode for back focus. The lens will automatically then zoom in and the red light on the front will start blinking. At that point, you should set your focus. Once your focus is set, press that button next to the servo switch underneath the lens again. At that point, the lens will zoom back out. That's when you'll want to set your focus once more, and then push that little button a final time to confirm you're finished. At that point, your lens should be calibrated with proper back focus and be ready for parfocal operation. Anything you zoom into and set the focus point on will remain in focus when you zoom back out and in again, as long as the distance between that object and the lens doesn't change.